Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we'll solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 67. Add binary. The problem is going to be very simple and the question is really easy to solve. So given two binary strings A and B, return their sum as binary strings. So what we need to do is we will be given two strings basically. One, let's say in this case A and B, one and one. So if you know the binary conversion into integer, like this A will result into 3 and B will be equals to 1. Okay. And 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 in binary is represented by 100. So it's going to be very simple to follow. What I'll be doing is I'll be simply just converting this binary string into the integer. I'll perform the operation, like I'll add these two numbers and then we'll convert that again back to the binary. So let's move to the solution. Okay. So over here, I can just simply write the complete solution. It's going to be a single line of code. So we want to return the binary string of summation between int a. So what I am telling over here is we are getting b as a binary string. So basically this two represents the base of the string which we are passing into the int value. Okay. Similarly, int a plus b. And if you will just simply print out this, you will see a string appended with 0b, I think, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Which basically represents our binary string. So I will simply eliminate that and I want to return the complete string after the or starting from second index. So let's check out the test cases. Yeah, so the test cases are clear. Let's submit for further evaluation. The solution not accepted. We performed decent, like we have performed 64% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, thanks guys for watching out the video and stay tuned with the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.